Good day. I'm going to replace the stock air filter on my Gen 2 Busa. This is a 2008 Hayabusa with a K&N air filter. Looks like this. I believe this is the correct model 1308 for the Gen 2 models of Hayabusa. There it is. There it becomes. It's pre-oiled. You just plug and play. Let's see what you get with this. There's the poop sheet. How to install it. Great. Got more stickers. So to do this, you'll need to first remove the front seat. That's got to come off, and then you've got to lift the tank like so. And this rod, as you know, is found in the tail section of the bike. It fits in here like this. So it looks like that. And I drained down the tank close to empty. Why not? Less force to support with the tank raised up like that to access the air box. So there are these screws here to remove around the circumference of the airbox. I think there's one in the center too. I don't know about this. Maybe not. Maybe not. Anyhow, so that's the first step. And I'll have the airbox top removed, and we'll take a look then in the next video. Thanks for watching.